Hey guys, welcome to this lesson, and this is an awesome one. This is all about how to generate leads for your service-based business, guys. And it's all around intent. So there should be a big, bold letters and words coming up now that says intent right now, and that is the power of what I'm about to show you. So here how it works. So we're gonna go to Google, guys, and as a business owner, you need to think about what your ideal client or customer would be typing into Google. And it is, again, intent. So if you can get your business in front of that exact person that has been searching using different keywords to find your product or business or services, that is how you are going to generate high quality leads using Google. And let me show you an example. So you've got Google here, right? And then we are going to pretend that we are an insurance company in this example, right? So we are going to be selling insurance. So somebody is going to go to Google, and it could be any of these people that are going to go to Google and they're going to type in insurance into Google. Now, here's what's going to separate you from everybody else. You are going to see different ads on Google. What you need to do as a service-based business, or whether you're selling products or whatever it is your business does, you need to stand out and you need to win these customers here that are typing your keywords into Google. So just take a second now and think about your product or your services that you offer. Think about what type of keywords people would be using. So let's say, for an example, I'm an insurance company. Somebody may be typing an insurance quote, or how to get insurance, or life insurance for over 55s. It doesn't matter what business you are. Everybody uses Google. You just need to know how to use it the smart way. So what you're going to do is your ad here is going to attract these people on Google by making your business sound new, exciting, and different. So how many times have you seen things like no win, no fee? Forget that. How many times have you seen free quote? Forget that. How many times have you seen best prices guaranteed? Forget that, guys. What you're going to be doing in your ad is you are going to make sure that your customer feels understood. And now on Google, when they type in insurance, they will go to your ad. So think about insurance as an example, right? But that's just an example. You need to think about your own type of business that you offer and start drilling down and start thinking about mini markets. Start making it a little bit of a mini market by saying things like life insurance for over 55s. So when somebody types into Google life insurance over 55, your ad will say life insurance over 55, or it could say things like, are you 55 or older? Do you need life insurance? So questions, when you're asking a question in an ad, works so well on Google. You can really get more high quality leads and really get more conversions for your business. So in your ad, do not use things like no win, no fee, free quote, best prices, any of that stuff, right? Because it's been used over and over and over again. So be new, be different, and put it in your ad, and you will attract your ideal client from Google. Remember, guys, Google is intent. People use Google to find products and services all the time. So just be very clever in how you write your message and write your ad, and be new and different, and think about the keywords that people would type in, or your ideal client or customer be typing into Google. And this works for insurance, financial services, cleaning, solar panels. It doesn't matter what you offer. I will guarantee that people will be using Google to find whatever it is you do. So hopefully that's made sense. And listen, guys, if you want more content or want to learn more stuff, I'm putting out free training every single week. So hit the subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a good day.